Hi, this is Chris at the Wandering Bull. Today we're going to talk about beads, but they're on bead cards. And in case you don't know what a bead card is, I got some great examples to show you. My brother Andy's been collecting bead cards for a number of years. We'll start here. This is a new one, 1970s, 1980, from Pierre Bovis. He was make French beads. There's some luster crow beads, nice selection of pony beads, tile beads, tube beads, and striped beads. Pierre passed away a number of years ago. The bead factory is no longer in operation. Those beads are almost out of stock. Let's jump over to another bead card, probably from 1970s, 1980s. Nice selection of beads, white center, cranberries, ponies, as well as nice fine selection of tiny beads, 20 beads. You can jump down to this one here in the front. I kept this one just for look at all the colors. Fabulous. This bead chart is probably the same thing from 1980s, 1970s. A lot of variety. I know they're not beads, but look at the bells. These bells were the same thing. You could order them right from the card, from the manufacturer. These days, this kind of thing is gone. You can jump over to these cards are probably the oldest, from 1933. This one is not dated, but a great card. And this card here, well, he has seen better days. Great tile beads, probably same thing, early 1900s. Another one dated 1933. Some great beads. Not glass beads, but metal beads, same thing. Bead chart, sizes, dimensions, fluted, nickel plated, brass plated. This guy's from Milano. A great bead card, probably 1970s. Once again, a variety of sizes, colors, shapes, silver lined. Great reference tool for dating beads on beadwork, especially if you have a date, 1933. Pretty primitive bead card. Someone spent a lot of time stringing beads onto a little Roldex card. Some nice identification, all obviously done in penmanship. Another bead card. Great colors, nice selection. Another couple of old bead cards from Elliot Green. Elliot Green is no longer in business. He was in New York City for years. 50, 60, 80 years. I'm not sure how long, but a long time. He was a major bead importer into this country. And another bead card. So great examples of bead cards. Easy to date beads. And if you have any for sale, certainly let us know. We're collecting them. Thanks a lot. Chris at the Wandering Bull, 1-800-430-2855. Thanks for watching.